This technique is called the squirrel or the butterfly. What you want to do is you want to cut your sides, cut your top to where you don't leave any water. Turn using your wrist. Turn again. What you have in the middle is a little mountain, but you keep running your sides down, clearing all the water out. When you get ready to close, come across, close, and you're done. Come up across the top, make your first pull down, keep the point of the edge of the squeegee rubber against the seal. Come down the side. You'll notice you're building a mountain in the middle of the window as you're squeegeeing it down. Bottom, you've got an 18-inch squeegee, leave about 16, 17 inches of water. We'll do it one more time just to make sure. What I'm going to try to show you, if you can, you don't lay your squeegee on the side flat because you're going to leave water. You want to run the point and the corner against your trim and seal. Clears out all your water along here. When you cut your top, you're using the very same point, leaving no water along the top. You'll notice you're building a mountain in the middle of the window as you're squeegeeing it down. And you're done.